Hi, thanks very much for joining me in this video where I'll be covering how to shoot sunsets. Onto this video, I will be showing you a series of videos that are on location here in the Welsh coast, and I will, from these videos, be then demonstrating a whole raft of different images, both wide angle on my 10 to 18mm lens, my 18 to 135 and also my 100 to 400mm lens. And from these videos, I'm hoping that you'll be able to see what my thought process was in taking the images, and also from the actual images that I display, I hope that this will inspire you to consider how you take your sunset images. I'll also share technical data related to each of those images, which lens I used, whether that be the 10 to 18, the 18 to 135 or the 100 to 400. And please, if you do enjoy, and I nearly fell off then, if you do enjoy this video and you learn, maybe be inspired from it, please remember to like and subscribe and share this video. Your support for this channel as we grow is absolutely massively appreciated. Thank you very much.
Let's first take a look at how we can use our 10 to 18 wide angle lens to capture really wide landscape images. When using wide angle lenses, it's important to layer the image. So here I was looking to use the sand ripples at low tide for foreground detail, the calmness of the estuary waters to capture the reflections to form the mid layers of the images, and for the mountains to be silhouetted against the sunset for our distant layer. So let's now take a look at the images created with the 10 to 18mm lens. It's worth noting that these have had minimal editing and mainly just been cropped. I will be doing a video on sunset editing in the very near future. Once we switch to the 18 to 135, we need to focus more on the details in the landscape we wish to capture. For this sunset, this consisted of the mountains and coast silhouetted against the setting sun to create a series of images. I took a slightly higher position on the shore, and the wind got up slightly, creating a great foreground texture on the sea. And here are some sample images taken with the 18 to 135. And moving on to the 100 to 400mm with its amazing telephoto capability, really lets us zoom in on the detail in the landscape. I'd noticed two great features in this scene: the silhouette of the trees and the skyline, and the silhouette of a castle on the horizon. This lens really does allow us to capture landscape details wide-angle lenses cannot cater for, and for us to observe these kind of long-range details within the landscape itself. So without further ado, let's take a look at those images.
Please remember to like and subscribe and share this video. Your support for this channel as we grow is absolutely massively appreciated. Thank you very much.